Hello dear children, I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are excited for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, chapter 19, Great Indians. We are going to learn about the Great Indians. A study of Indian history would be incomplete without some knowledge of the people who contributed towards the betterment of the Indian society. Their names remain immortal in the history of India for their contribution in the fields of literature, social reforms, science and politics. Learning points in this chapter is Great Ancient Indians, social reformers, scientists and leaders of the freedom movement. Children, this picture is of Kalidas. Do you know who was a Kalidas? Kalidas was one of the masters of poetry and literature. Literature means books and other written works. He was a court poet during the reign of Chandragupta, the Gupta king. The best known literary work by him are Meghdut, Shakuntala, Raghuvansha and Kumar Sambhava. Children, this picture is of Kabir. Do you know who was the Kabir? Kabir was a champion of Hindu-Muslim unity. People of all communities respect his name and he was known as the father of Hindu literature. Kabir wrote dohas, couplets or verses in simple language which could be understood by layman. Layman means simple person. Children, this picture is of Rabindranath Tagore. Do you know who was the Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore in the 20th century rose a Bengali genius, Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, a music composer, a painter, an educationist, a social reformer, an author, and a patriot. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was composed by him. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930. Children, the first picture is of Raja Ram Mohan Roy and the second picture is of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Do you know who was the Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Social reformers Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar tried to remove the problems that adversely affect society like sati and child marriage. Social evils means problem that adversely affects society. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar encouraged widow remarriage by marrying a widow himself. Children, this picture is of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Do you know who was the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, social reformer. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan worked to improve the life of the Muslim woman. He started a college at Aligarh, which later became the famous Aligarh University. Children, this picture is of Ramabai Ranade. Do you know who was the Ramabai Ranade? Social reformer Ramabai Ranade from Maharashtra strived hard to improve the condition of women by training them to be self-reliant. For this, she set up the Purna Seva Sadan Society. Children, the first picture is of Aryabhatta and the second picture is of Varamihira. Do you know who was the Aryabhatta and Varamihira? Aryabhatta and Varamihira were our ancient astronomer mathematician. In mathematics, the concept of zero originated in ancient India. The concept of numbers from 1 to 10 also originated in India. Children, the first picture is of Shushrut and the second picture is of Charak. Do you know who was the Shushrut and Charak? Shushrut and Charak were pioneers of Ayurveda. Shushrut and Charak were the first to explore Ayurveda. Children, the first picture is of Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose. The second picture is of Sir C.V. Raman and the third picture is of Dr. Homi Bhabha. Do you know who was the Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose, Sir C.V. Raman, Dr. Homi Bhabha? In modern times, scientists like Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose, Sir C.V. Raman and Dr. Homi Bhabha have made India proud. Their contribution to modern science are recognized worldwide. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Dr. Homi Bhabha contributed a great deal in the field of atomic energy and with the help of J.R.D. Tata set up the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Children, this picture is of great Indian rulers. In our country, there were many great Indian rulers who practiced tolerance and non-violence towards their subjects. Ashoka the Great, Krishna Dev Raya, Akbar the Great, Chandragupta Maurya, Vikram Aditya the Great, all these kings loved their subjects and looked after their welfare. They have left an indelible mark on Indian history. People live in peace and comfort. Art, music and literature were encouraged under the patronage of these great kings. Children, this picture is of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel. Do you know who was the Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel? In the history of the freedom struggle against British rule in India, the names of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel will remain immortal. Children, this picture is of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know who was Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji, with his motto of Satyagraha or the force of truth, paved the way for independence. His weapons were truth and non-violence, and he resisted the unjust British policies by his non-cooperation and civil disobedience campaigns. He is rightly called the father of the nation. Non-cooperation and civil disobedience campaigns means refusal to cooperate in the form of protest. Children, this picture is of Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know who was the Jawaharlal Nehru? Jawaharlal Nehru, one of the Gandhiji's closest supporter, was Jawaharlal Nehru. He stood by Gandhiji and suffered many hardships to get independence for the country. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. As he loved children dearly, he was fondly called Chacha Nehru. Children, this picture is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Do you know who was the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was called the Iron Man of India. He followed Gandhiji's footsteps and fought for independence. After the country became free, Vallabhbhai Patel, through his courage and hard work, kept the country united. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 19, Great Indians. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with a new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.